From the Mobile World Congress, Barcelona 2010, at the heart of the industry, Aerotel.
Aerotel is a technological company which provides a solution for the telemedicine area. We are providing systems which gives the solution to monitor patients at home or wherever they are from the side of the patient through whatever communication network we're using up to the call center where a physician or qualified person can analyze the data.
Aerotel brings a few new products to the world in this show in Barcelona. One of the most exciting products is the one that I'm wearing here, which is a GeoSkipper personal safety and tracking device. It's intended for elderly people and children to get help from a help center or from relatives. By just clicking a button, you can have a voice call and talk with a security help center. They can find your location using the built-in GPS system in this device. They can summon help for you immediately. With this application, you can track the location of the user on the map. You can see the history of his location, and you can set up different alerts to alert when the user is going away from a specific area. This screen enables us to set up different parameters of the device, such as speed dialing number, the telephone number of the emergency call center, different types of alerts. For example, sending an SMS alert when the battery is low, or when the device is on, or when the device is off. Aerotel's second new product is this little box, which is a home care hub, which has a built-in GSM modem and Bluetooth chip. You can install it in the home to create a small clinic for people, chronic patients in the home, to transmit medical information from the home to a remote monitoring center.
Aerotel solutions are targeted to provide service to patients. And when we deal with patients, solution must be very simple to use and cost effective. And this is where Aerotel is. We're providing a very, very simple solution for the patient, which does not require an extensive training to the patient, and the implementation of the system can be very quick. Another aspect is the price. In today's economic crisis, you can provide solutions which are very, very cost effective, and this is where Aerotel is targeted at. We've always been in the front line, and the solutions that we are providing are always very innovative and new to the market. We are going to continue our R&D effort and to lead this market.